सुपर्ब जगह है ये। और जैसे मैं कह रहा था कि बैंड्रा के पास फेस्टिवल है, टाउन के पास काला घोड़ा है, तो अभी हमारे अंधेरी के पास व्हाट्सएप है। और यहाँ पे जितने भी आर्ट इंस्टॉलेशंस है, बहुत बेहतरीन आर्टिस्ट है जिन्होंने दिखाई इधर। आई थिंक सिद्धार्थ जी ने, सीजर जी ने, वॉस्को ने, अजय ने बहुत ही बेहतरीन काम किया है ये व्हाट्सएप अंधेरी में लाके।
आप आने कितना पसंद करते हैं?
बहुत पसंद करता हूँ और मैं चाहूंगा कि मैं अगले साल भी आऊँ और उसके बाद भी इनवाइट करेंगे ये लोग मुझे। और लास्ट टाइम मैंने सुना था कि सीजर और बॉस्को ने परफॉर्म किया था और इस साल भी कुछ परफॉर्मेंस होने वाला है।
मैं बहुत अच्छा लगा कि वरुण जी is here, वरुण इज अ यूथ आइकन। एंड आपने देखा है कि वरुण जी के आने की वजह से, बिकॉज ऑफ वरुण बीइंग हियर, सिक्योरिटी हैजर्ड हो गई है हमें, तो हमें इनको बचा के यहाँ पे लाना पड़ा है। बट आई एम वेरी ग्लैड दैट यंगस्टर्स लाइक हिम, दे आर रोल मॉडल्स and they promote a good cause, and it just needed Caesar and Bosco to make one call, and he was like, for an initiative like this, I'm more than ready because Andheri is my home. I'll always be whenever you all need me, and I want to thank him in front of everyone for his lovely support. It was a pleasure to have you here, and we're looking forward to you again next year when you come back bigger.
अरे वो तो सुपर्ब था यार, ड्रम्स के साथ जो बच्चों ने किया वो तो मैं कभी अगले जन्म में भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा।
आप कभी ट्राई करते हैं ड्रम बजाया?
हाँ, तबला नहीं, मतलब बजाया है जिंदगी में, किसी को गलत काम किया तो उसको बजाया, पर वैसे तबला तो कभी नहीं बजाया। स्कूल में मैं बजाता था, वो एनुअल डे पे, नहीं एनुअल नहीं, स्पोर्ट्स डे पे, यू प्ले दैट मार्च पास्ट पे, दैट्स इट। I think there are a lot of podiums to connect with you. I think this is my way to connect to a society that I've been part of. I think because it's WhatsApp Andheri, and I've grown up pretty much in Andheri. I've lived in the suburbs my whole life. So I've spent a lot of time, I've watched a lot of movies, so be it Fame Ad Labs or Fun Republic, or you have so many areas over that I've always been around. So I think it's great that this is here. So I'm here to connect with Andheri. So, and I'm seeing a lot of youthful people. Even in the media, there's so many young people. बहुत जवान हो गए आप लोग सब. Don't let people disrespect women, especially in our own country, because that's something which is going on since a while, and I think we as men have to stand up for that and enjoy your life. Yeah, see the art and culture, the amalgamation of these things are great, and you have people like Siddharth, who's going to be standing next year, too. Hopefully, I hope someone like him does stand into elections, because it's great for the youth, because he's supporting it. You can see the art and culture, and Caesar and Bosco doing a great job, yeah, at WhatsApp. So it's. No, definitely. I think, and starving, I think that's also very important. I think you should play a sport, yeah. That's the best way. You play football, you should go play football. We are playing on 31st of March on the beach. Yeah, you should.
A celebrity
club now. And before, I was not a celebrity, and he was also. You should just go play a sport, any sport. It can be badminton, it can be cricket, it can be football, swimming, hockey. And food-wise, eat what your mother tells you, but not always, because some mothers will prescribe buttermilk and parathe pe ghee. Punjabi's mothers especially. I think you should try and eat in. Don't eat too much carbs at night. That's something I follow. Right? I'm going to be beginning shooting by mid-May, mostly for my next film. And then there are some other films, but I can't talk about that because the production house needs to make announcements about that. So, but soon, probably end of this year or beginning of next year for sure.
वो सीक्रेट है कल के लिए। वो बॉस्को को पूछना पड़ेगा।
कुछ तो टीजर देना पड़ेगा।
अभी एंड में सब लोग व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं।
टीजर ये है आप लोगों के लिए, tomorrow is going to be the biggest
day, yeah,
and it will be the best climax that we all have tomorrow. So look forward to
टीजर कपड़े निकालने वाले कल से।
Yeah, and he's going to show his body with his six pack.
मना कर दिया मेरे को भी लोगों ने।
Thank you, sir.
चलो, so we can all end it by saying,
yeah,
what's up?
Thank you.